So this is your fridge. Flipped over, bottom plate off, like a patient on an operating table. And your solution to climate change? Point a random fan at the black lump and pray.
Exactly, it's cheaper than therapy. Watch as my compressor goes from heat stroke to spa day.
Oh look, the heroic unboxing. Except you can't open the zip. Nice. Nothing screams professional like stabbing a bag with a knife.
And why stop there? Snip the cables to those connectors. It's useless, just more electronic waste to recycle later.
Why are you threading cables through that slot? It looks so unnecessary.
Because DIY is 90% doing things you don't need and 10% explaining it online. The climate change won't stop for clean cable management.
Permanent marker dots on the metal plate. 2 for each fan. What is this? A secret code?
Engineering poetry, and wait for it, punching those marks like I'm forging medieval armor, or who needs finesse when you have powder?
Tell me you're not drilling over that glass fruit stand. Worth more than the fridge itself.
Absolutely, and nothing says tech confidence like metal shavings falling into a luxury centerpiece. The planet's on fire anyway.
Double-sided tape. For a fridge. Sure, why not? Fast-forwarded because watching glue dry is thrilling.
And here we mount the fans, 6 of them, more fans than subscribers. And yes, the screws are a bit ambitious. Hopefully no coolant leaks today.
Oh, gloves now. Trying to hide the wounds from earlier.
Exactly, nothing like a DIY blood tack to cutting heat shrink, mixing reds and blacks like it's modern art, and Jupe's redoing it because I got the colors wrong.
You keep stripping and restripping those wires. Was there a plan?
A plan? I should have done this after cutting them all to equal length. But hey, crimping time, yellow out to red fans, black to black, and shrink it before the Roomba eats it.
Is that a router cable?
Yes, reduce, reuse. Hi, we cut the connector to feed 12 volts into this mess. Identify polarity, red goes in red, black goes in black, and don't forget the heat shrink. Gloves are mandatory if you enjoy fingerprints.
Moment of truth. Fans spin, except one stuck. Oh, of course the cable's in the way.
Fixed it. And here comes the controller. Activation higher than stop temp. Who designs the 4 eyes and a brother-in-law later. It finally works on a 31.7 off a 31.1. And climate change defeated. Not quite, but my ice cream sif.